Hello and welcome to Stockton Junction. Just a quick update and a couple of other bits today. I've just laid out the depot area on the other side with a basic track plan of how I was thinking about laying it out. So you basically have this point here moving up here. So I've got a right hand coming here for that one, and going off there. The left hand move up a bit. Gives me quite a long area there. Fuel points in the middle. A track down the side there would be for fueling vehicles, and there'd be a tank at the back there for for the fuel, etc. Moving backwards along here, I'm keep the original point work there. This would be the permanent way depot with the two tracks here. But this track coming off at the back here would be just like for steam engines with the coaling area there. That's pretty much how I'd sort of set it up for now. I haven't obviously done much yet, but I'm just sort of planning and thinking about it at the moment to see how it goes and how I think it would flow. The other thing I've done, if you might notice, is all the billboards along the back behind the station are now in place. I've got that finished off as I really want to get that back area finished, so I need to work forwards from the back. So before I can put anything on this platform, I need to have that back area done. I have just ballasted that section of track there along the back, and once that's all dry I will do the greenery etc behind, get that bit done. I've got some new warehouses to go along the back there as well, so I'll start putting those in because I want to get everything up to at least the end of the platform area done, so that I can start getting some the platform work done as well, and then move forwards as well. So I've still yet to make another one of these cables here to go on the other side over there. I'm just about to do that soon. That's about it for today. I've got a little bit done. The other thing I wanted to talk about was removing track. If I spin you around to this side, I'll just move my coffee cup out of the way. I've done a little bit of experimenting. It may be, I'll just set the camera up here. It may be that sometimes you may wish to look at removing track, and maybe what happens is what's happened to me in the past is you end up damaging the track work, trying to lift it, wreck it, and it's not reusable. So obviously I don't really need a lot more track, but I'd rather save it if I can, because you never know. So I've had a couple of experiments, and obviously my first idea was water. So put some water on there to try and do that, and as you can see, first problem is it doesn't soak, it doesn't go in, it just sits there. And to be honest, I did this on a point over here a few minutes ago. It took at least 15 minutes to soak in. It didn't work very well. The ballast didn't come up very well. So what do? So I had a thought. When I'm laying my ballast, the first thing I do is spray isopropyl alcohol. So that helps to spread the flow of the glue. Maybe it will do the opposite. So I'm just going to give this area a nice liberal spray. And as you can see, the isopropyl alcohol has actually just dissipated the water a bit better as well. And literally that'll take a couple of minutes to start soaking in. Just going to give it a bit more of a spray anyway. Just do a bigger area. And what you will find is that within a minute or two, there we go already, look. Sorry, that's my camera, I apologise. I shall just, already, that's gone soft. So I've literally, that's how easy it comes off with isopropyl alcohol. And literally the stuff in the centre of the tracks is just softening up now. You could just scrape that off. It's getting that soft. The one thing I don't want to do is obviously damage the track work. So what I usually tend to do, because I've glued my track work down rather than pins, because I don't think the pins look so good, is you get a blade. I normally use a thicker blade than this, but I haven't got it with me, and I just gently slide the blade under like that and slowly saw forwards, and you can see all of that tracks coming up where the isopropyl alcohol is done. It's even taking the paint off the it's literally that easy. See, I haven't sprayed all of that central bit, so I don't want to take too much until I've lifted it. But as you can see, that's how quick it takes the ballast up. So I hope that tip is of use to you, and I'll see you next time with a longer update, hopefully, when I've proceeded a lot further. Right, thanks for watching, and goodbye.